Get noticed in this 2010 Honda Accord Euro. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Memory settings put you back in the right place every time. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.